Igel Beauty Part 2. I had to go back and get black, so I ordered some more colors. Can't beat the price, it was 60% off, so I went and got black. And then I got another white, which I'm going to put away because I really love their white. This one is Wedding Dress. This one is Pumpkin Spice. This one is Lavender Cupcake. This one is Tourmaline, like the birthstone, I guess. And it is just loaded with glitter. Pinks and golds. Screamin' Green. Blazing Orange. Phenomenal Pink. Blissful Blue. And Blueberry Cheesecake. Okay, let's swatch them. Okay, the first one's going to be Wedding Dress. Phenomenal Pink. Pumpkin Spice. Lavender Cupcake. It's pretty. Blazing Orange. Ooh, this one's bright. Nice neon orange. This is the second coat of Wedding Dress. Very, very pale pink. Sheer, little sheer there. Phenomenal Pink. pumpkin spice. Lavender cupcake. That one's just so pretty. I think that's my favorite so far. Blazing orange. The next one is Screamin' Green. It's a pretty neon green. Definitely a two-coater. Next one is Tourmaline. This one should be interesting. Probably something you would put over a base color. I think would look better, unless you put a few coats on. But that's really pretty. There's some strands in there, some gold glitter, some pink. Okay, now we got blue cheesecake. Yes. Yes. So pretty. I love this one. This one is Blissfully Blue. This one's a light blue. This is a blue I've been missing in my collection of blues. I'm happy I found it. And then the last one is black. Let's see how this performs. Two-coater. Hopefully only two. Tourmaline, blueberry cheesecake, Blissfully Blue, and black. It covered good with the second coat, so. But it's definitely a 2-coater. Okay, I'm gonna top coat these and I'll be right back. Okay, this is wedding dress. Gotta put lotion on and now I'm just, ugh. This one is Phenomenal Pink. Pink's my color. This one is Pumpkin Spice. This one is Lavender Cupcake. I didn't tell you the numbers. Wedding dress is 89. Phenomenal Pink is B17. Pumpkin Spice is 88. And Lavender Cupcake is A5. DD66 Blazing Orange. Blazing Orange. DD68 Screamin' Green. Green is not my color. 64 is Tourmaline. A12 is Blueberry Cupcake. I love my blues. Blues and pinks. I love that blue. Blissfully Blue. And then the last one's black. I am a little disappointed in the black. I was hoping it would be a little more opaque. I mean, it's just a little bit better than Beetles, but it's still not very opaque. So that's it for my second haul of Igel Beauty. Probably be my last one unless they have another big sale and I just happen to have a little bit of money. Thank you for watching. If you could, Viola Brown is needing watch time. She's getting real close to her 4,000 to be monetized. So if you can help her out, give her some watch time. She'd really appreciate it. And she's having a watch time giveaway, so if you do some major watch time for her, then you'll be entered in the giveaway. It's for people that are doing like a lot of watch time, not just going and watching a video or two. So, and I have down in my description box a list of some other ladies that are working on theirs, so they need watch time too. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider doing so. Hit the like button and all that good stuff. The bell thingy. And I will see you all in my next video.